Some of you may have been wondering, what does Roy eat to look the way he looks? How did he go from looking like this to this, right? Like, how did he do it? It just doesn't make any sense. Well, aside from the intermittent fasting, as well as the high intensity workouts, diet is 80% of it. I'm gonna show you essentially what my starving ass eats on a daily basis. Now keep in mind, I woke up at 4 in the morning, don't ask, and I've just been working the whole entire day, so I have not eaten anything today. It is 6:30, so I'm fasting a lot longer than you probably should be, so just aim for around 12 to 16 hours. Let's get into meal time. So my meal mainly consists of fruits as well as proteins with a little bit of carbs. Got myself 4 eggs here. I'm going to be chopping these down and making like a little bit of an egg salad using mayonnaise salad. You're going to avoid this. This is endgame. You eat this endgame. Don't eat this yet. So you're gonna have to find some other substitute. You could put like hot sauce with, whatever else just to kind of get like a sauce going there. But I looked at the back and it's just half of whatever mayonnaise would be. So tuna, you probably want to get other type of proteins in, your chicken, your turkeys, but I'm cheap. I'm trying to get a lot of protein in. 16 grams, we got 32 grams of protein right here. We're 12 to 15 grams per egg, right? I don't know, give or take. So I'm eating all of these. If you do have high cholesterol, if you have issues with cholesterol, don't eat all the yolk. Maybe replace 2 yolks and just go for 4 white, 2 yolk. Using this, all you need is some salt and pepper. You can use some barbecue sauce if you do like as well. And then for the crispy minis, this is my key. This is my base. You don't want to eat bread, so you don't want to eat pasta. You don't want to eat rice. You want to cut all that shit out. Like you see bread over there. Maybe on a cheat day, I'll make a burger or something. But other than that, you're gonna want to find some form of replacement that you find delicious enough that you're gonna eat every day without feeling like it's some sort of diet food. Take a look here. I think it's like 50 calories. It's like 50 calories per cake, guys. You stack 2 of these on top of each other, you have yourself a burger, right? You have a sandwich, and it's only 100 calories, right? So you gotta trick yourself. So I can eat a whole half of these, and that's just 300 calories, right? The carbs are there, but you haven't eaten any carbs. You fasted all day. It's your first meal. So this is gonna hold you down. Could you imagine you just had this? You just ate this with a spoon, like you're depressed? No, you don't want that shit. Then here comes the treat, fruits. Now, I know you think fruits are bad because fruits are sugary. Certain fruits are sugary. You stay away from oranges. Don't have bananas too much, or maybe have them earlier on in the day. If you're working out, then perfect. No, but the potassium's good in them. They have some fiber. This right here, this shit right here. Blueberries, whether you want to get the fresh ones, you want to get the frozen ones, whatever, man. Pick and choose. Groceries are expensive. Blueberries high in antioxidants and also something else that helps with just brain function, right? So it makes you smart and it burns belly fat. Raspberries are high in fiber because when you're eating a lot of protein and you're eating a lot of antioxidants, you're gonna want some fiber so you can do what you gotta do. You're not gonna be eating much wheat, bread, all that stuff. So you can get it through raspberry, you can get it through other meats. Why do I have this in shirt? Well, for one, if you do a calorie count, it's probably not much. I'm gonna have to get another meal in. It has 12 grams of protein and it has some vitamins and things that I may miss since I'm not eating as much. Your best friend here is going to be high protein Oikos yogurt. I go for the zero, it has like the zero fats, it's vanilla flavor. Don't get the regular one. If you like the regular sour, shitty tasting one, go nuts, but you get the vanilla one. 17 grams of protein. You can see right here, that's 13, or is it 17 grams? That's per 3/4 cup. So, I just put 2 nice globs into my smoothie, throw some ice in there, get it well blended. And this tastes like some sort of cheat meal. Just getting everything you need done, especially this flavors it. But if you don't want to go for this, vanilla cashew milk, right? Or some sort of milk replacement. That more or less is my meal. I'm gonna have a smoothie, I have 2 different types of protein, I'm gonna make some from a sandwich out of it, and that usually holds me down. It's not gonna be the same for you guys, especially when you're starting off. Realistically, you're gonna feel hungry, right? You're gonna definitely wanna make sure you're hitting your calorie count. You're gonna wanna stay at a deficit, so you're gonna wanna research whatever your calorie count is. And then from there, make sure you're under it, even if it's by 1 calorie. Get into the process of being under. Right? You want to live below your food needs for a while. And from there, you'll see the weight go down. Some people have medical situations, some people just for whatever the reason, work, life, stress. So do whatever you need to do to make sure you can go through the long way, but Keep as intensive as you can. Push to the limit. And then eventually you'll see the progress. You're gonna like the progress and you're gonna work off the progress. Day in, day, the food's not gonna seem so much as some sort of delicacy. It is a food source. It's a nutrient that you're putting in your body so your body could, right? So it could do what it needs to do. If you're looking to get abs this winter, just hit me up in the DM. I do have some guides, some lessons, because I did lose 100 pounds in 4 months, guys. It's very possible. I lost 70 pounds in 2 months. Very, very, very possible. I wouldn't suggest it to everybody, but to each their own. Hope you enjoyed the video.